Now here's a short little video here that I think you might find useful. So we've got fire over on our project browser. We've got fire access and services, fire access and services. So on my ground floor plan, you see I went through that exercise of creating the floor tags for each of the units here. And you'll notice that when you come into your duplicate plans here that they're not there. So I'm going to show you a quick way to do that. Now, something else that's probably useful is that you don't perhaps need that on this particular plan here. So I'm going to hide that element, and I'm going to hide the AutoCAD plan in the back as well. Okay, so that just tidies that one up a little bit nicer. Right, so because you've created the rooms, you can now go into architecture and into tag room, and that will allow you now to quickly tag up all of your rooms. Once you actually have them done, you can do them pretty quickly here, and I'll tidy this up now in a minute. I'll just get through this, and there's something else I want to show you here now as well. So, but you can see how quickly that is going now. Now, the important thing here is that you don't want these to count as double. All right, you just want the tag that exists to be shown here now. So I'm going to pick that note. I'm going to right click. These are all the previous notes that I had on. Select all instances visible in the view and delete. Now, so you got your access plan noted up. So what I've done here is created a room schedule. Now, you probably actually have this. You probably don't know it, but you do. Here it is down here. So it's part of your template, okay, room schedule. And if I remember correctly, the only field that was in that room schedule was the actual name of the room. So you can see I've added in area, level, count, classification, space number, description, and comments here, okay? And I've gone into sorting and grouping, and I'm saying sort by level, ascending first, and then sort by area, all right? And the reason I've done that is that if you look now, the count is important, so it's the only time we've got one room of this name across here. And I'm also going, if I sort it by area, then it kind of keeps them in order here, so I can compare the notes that I have here, just in case I need to change any of the notes. Now I can change the notes from in here, and they'll update on the plan as well. And it's also a good check to find where you have rooms that have not been placed, like so. So if you pick that and just hit the delete row up here, that'll get rid of any names, any rooms that are there, but you've not actually placed them, or you've duplicated them, or it's a great check in that sense there. So I would go through each of these and make sure that I've got the same note referring to the same area down there and the same kind of quantity. So if I wanted to do a count here, right, now we know that this is repetitive the whole way up. So I'll go back into my sorting and grouping, itemize every instance. I'll do that for the moment, but I'll go into formatting, and I'll go count, give me a calculated total, and I'll go okay. And no, I'm not done that right yet. So formatting, count, heading count, calculated total, condition format, no. Okay, I thought it would give me a count under each one of those, but it's not doing that, not adding those up. Should be able to do that. I'll find that out later. So it would be great to give me 16 here, 16 there, and 16 there. That's what I was looking for in each level. I'm sure we can arrange that too. So that's a handy little tip for you. And it'll save you a lot of time in having to write up text room names or anything else like that. And you can do that for your fire, for your access, on each of the duplicates that you've made previously.